Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Leche Flan Negosyo. First, let's talk about the essential ingredients. You'll need fresh eggs, condensed milk, and evaporated milk for that creamy texture. Don't forget the sugar for caramelizing your molds. Having the right equipment, like several anuras and a reliable steamer, is also crucial for efficient production. This foundation sets you up for success. Now, let's get into the preparation and cooking. Start by separating your egg yolks meticulously to achieve that signature smooth texture. When mixing, be gentle to prevent too many air bubbles, which can affect the flan's appearance. Steam your flan for about 30 to 45 minutes or until it's perfectly set. A toothpick inserted should come out clean, indicating it's ready. Understanding your costs is vital for a profitable business. Accurately calculate the cost of ingredients for each batch of Leche Flan. Remember to factor in other expenses like labor, utilities, and packaging materials. Once you have a clear picture of your total costs, you can set a competitive selling price that ensures a healthy profit margin. Aim for a good return on your efforts. Finally, let's discuss how to market and sell your delicious Leche Flan. Attractive packaging can significantly draw customers in. Consider offering small samples. It's a fantastic way to let people taste the quality of your product. Leverage social media platforms to showcase your flan, share customer testimonials, and reach a wider audience. These strategies will help boost your sales.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.